friends, Ingrid here from Open Journey. It's been a while, so it's time for a little process video, and I'm gonna focus on the before section where we're talking about the great I am. I was gonna use very bright colors and then tone it down with white. I noticed often that we need to use blacks, darker colors. So I'm gonna make a very colorful. It's not gonna stay this way, or who knows? Maybe it will. I don't know. Plans always change, so you just go with the flow. But it's beautiful. I love using colors. If you're new to Bible journaling, this is such a beautiful practice. Using colors and art while you ponder over the Bible verses you're studying. It's amazing. So powerful. I don't want to mix these colors too much, but anyway, I will come with white over this. I need something. Yeah, I wanted to have some darks peeking from underneath the white, so need some bold colors here. I'm gonna dry it quick and then continue. So I got this surface dried. I'm gonna apply some with a card, some white layer just to tone down these strong colors. I might leave very little peeking through. Use some off-white. So I like that little areas showing through. So that's cool. That's pretty much what I had in mind. I did splatter a few alcohol ink drops here, and I didn't realize I had the camera. I just did this, and then I dabbed, just very light alcohol inks, Ranger. I will stamp the I am. I was gonna just put flowers around that, make like a crown of flowers. I was imagining black and white flowers, but I don't think I have room to make the circle I wanted now that I put the flowers. So these are the die cuts from, this is from the Psalms, but all these are from the You Love Me kit. Just want to see how they look like. We'll figure this out off camera. Let's see. These are transparent. Then I want the Psalm 103, just so beautiful. If I have these in shop, if I will, I'm not even sure. I would cut them so they would be strips, so you don't get a big. It would be easier to mail and handle, actually. Good spot. And do this and then cut it to the circle. The Revelation verse, Lord God Almighty. There we go. And this is how I'm gonna go one by one. I'm gonna add another layer on top. I used a little bit of white Bombay India ink, and I just splattered a little bit around the IM just to give it kind of a radiance. I came with a few brush marks, like with the blue here, and that's about it. And I adhered all the flowers. And now I will journal here on this. But you know, I'm thinking I really love the bless the Lord, my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name. That's Psalm 103. And I'm thinking, I'm looking at the Psalms of Praise and Thanksgiving, the Bible verse cards. And I bet you I have Psalm 103. 103. So that's exactly the verse. And I could use it here. And just to tie it in, I would like to add the floral element to tie it in on this page. I attached, I just used one staple with a mini stapler, mini attacher, and I grouped everything. There's the journaling on the back. I will continue some more, but I think this is it. I will attach this to the side with probably one of the washi strips. These are from the Rota Mouse kit. Very convenient. So I'm gonna attach that to the side so I don't lose the tip in. So I'm gonna tear it a little bit, and this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it offered you some inspiration. Again, I am journaling with I can't find it now, it got buried. The Do You Love Me? I have just a note. Do You Love Me kit. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Just feel free to ask. God bless and enjoy.